Hey guys, what's up? It's Tim Harrell here, U.S. Army combat veteran, 371 reconnaissance, former All Army, All Armed Forces, Taekwondo champion, certified combatives instructor, retired pro-jitsu fighter on pay-per-view. I'm the guy that kicked fucking Army James' ass. You know who I am. But yeah, I'm playing Airsoft, and I'm LARPing, and I'm having a hard time making friends. You know that for a fact. I'm having a hard time making friends. So, people don't get what I'm doing. I'm having a lot of fun. I thought, I see Airsoft and LARPing just like other people see professional wrestling. It's a kind of real, but it's kind of fake, and it's a lot more fun if you keep the beef going and shit. So that's what I do. But it makes people mad. So instead of going to a lot of Airsoft events, I started doing a couple of months ago Conflict Inc., where we would get a hold of a local team and challenge them, say, hey, you want to fight us? And then we pick a local field, or that local team would be affiliated with a field, and we would just show up on open play day and fucking fight it out, and that local field would make a lot of money and stuff. And we did that a lot of times and stuff, and then we've gone to events and stuff. And now it's just, I want to do something a little different. And it's very simple. I want to host my own FTXs. I want to host my own FTXs. Not big events. Not a big giant event with 1 million. I can't fucking run that stuff. I just want one team at a time. Your team to come here. 3 days, 2 nights, stay with me, do some road marching with me, do some training with me, fucking go up against my trained team that I roll with, and they'll be your OP4. And the first lane starts the first day, and then from the first lane, depending on how you do it, the first lane will be what the next lane really is. And then from there and there, like that. But the first lane never changes. And what the first lane is very simple. You wake up, however many people on your team start the road march together, and they finish the road march together. And it's 2 miles, straight, flat, paved road. You know what I'm saying? Doesn't matter how many breaks you got, how many times one of your dudes falls out, you pick them up, you guys finish. And then once you finish, the road ends, and it goes down into a dirt road. And then from there, it's fucking locked and loaded BB gun time. When you have 3 interactions, only one of them is definitely going to be a firefight to the end. And that's the last one. But the first interaction is from the start point until about halfway. You're going to meet fucking Taliban Tim, a local indigenous cult leader, religious man who might be fucking crazy as fuck one day, or might be sane the next day, might want to kill you one day, might be your friend the next day. You know what I'm saying? You're going to roll with him, and you're going to have to maneuver your way through him. And then your next one, from the fucking halfway point until the bridge, is a fucking National Guard unit. And they're roaming and guarding and stuff. And if they see you, they're going to fight you. So you can fucking go after them, move around them or whatever. But your third one, you have to fight. And the third one is a fucking Army Guard unit that's fucking tasked to keep that bridge and hold the bridge. And they got a machine gun up there. And you actually have to, the whole mission is get your whole team from start to finish and take over that bridge and hold the bridge. And that's the first eval. And there's no fucking tourniquets. So if one of you guys gets shot, you can either fucking carry him or leave his body there and keep on moving. So, the only persons that's passed it so far is me. And the 2 guys that went with me on my fucking eval didn't pass. So, we're excited. Today, we got fucking, big fucking superstar, Airsoft Alfonse. He's going to be going with fucking Black Man and fucking Bruce Willis.
My baby to school that I pray for. Cause you bitches ain't never been cool. Writing testament, painting pictures, put me in the Louvre. That's a definite universal shift. I'm in the groove. A celebrity do not mean integrity, fool. I'm a good man, shake your hand, firm grip rule. 72 wins, lost 10. Ballin' with the flu, more than 2 M's for a show, but add another 2. Little man, the big man's the GT down, flipping the kickstand. Rich nigga, broke phone, trying to keep the balance, I'm staying strong. Stop playing with me before I turn you to a song. Stop playing with me before I turn you to a song. Hey, bitch, I'm attractive. Can't fuck with you no more, I'm fasting. Bitch, I'm attractive. Can't fuck with you no more, I'm fasting. Think morality, you wait, feedback on low latency. I'm glitching from the face, as my thoughts go sickly. I'm running out of space, ask Winnie, she okay? Never mind 100K, why you lying on Benjamin? He turned it in his grave. I'd be lying if I said I wouldn't get it shit away. Be a little Buddha, I'm Christ with a shooter. ruler. Praise to Muhammad, I might nigga lose ya. AP, Michael Friedman, my friend's cooler. Primary, so the resale face stupid. I would never live my life on a computer. IG get you life for a chick, I booyah. More power to ya, love 'em from a distance. Why you always in the mirror more than the bed you?
Bro, I can't even fucking lie. Hey, Jamal, I can't even fucking lie about this shit. That shit the other day shook me the fuck up. Like, I'm supposed to be the fucking, like I was told I was gonna be the fucking part of the training exercise for walking down this road, the fucking civilian on the battlefield. The only reason you're here, Jamal, to be my fucking arm protection, because fucking, you know, praise be his name, Josh Allah still thinks I'm unhinged. But these motherfuckers came running through the woods yesterday. We had to fucking whack that motherfucker. Like, am I a fucking combative on the battlefield? Like, how are they fucking representing me up there, motherfucker? Oh yeah, I'm high. I'm high on motherfucking life. I'm Black Man's team leader. Black Man's gonna be on this mission, and Airsoft Alfonso's gonna be on this mission. We're gonna be the three guys running this lane. Navy SEALs. Who am I? Who the fuck am I? Don't worry about who I am. Don't even need to know who I am. All you need to know is my why. Why am I LARPing as the Navy SEAL team leader, taking these two fucking dweebs, pogue-ass Navy SEAL, real veteran black man? Okay, I'm not a pogue. Okay, are you Sergeant Major? You gonna start acting like Sergeant Major? I'm not a pogue, I'm a Navy SEAL. Yes, you are, black man. Are you 11 Bravo? No, I'm not 11 Bravo. I wasn't even in the Army. I'm a Navy SEAL, okay? What would Navy SEALs call fucking infantry guys? About the same thing, motherfucker. I'm a Navy SEAL. Because if you're not 11 Bravo, you're a pogue. Why am I doing this? For Bruce Willis. That's right. I was a huge fan of Bruce Willis. Strike one was when he betrayed the team captain in Navy SEALs in Tears from the Sun as a fucking throw the whole mission away to get a piece of Strange because she's got a British accent. Did he not do that? Did he not get almost everyone in his team killed? All he had to do was go in, grab a fucking bitch, throw her on a helicopter, fly away, the fucking movie would have been over. But he fell in love with her. So he fucking let the helicopter fly away and he walked with her and her whole fucking African tribe and got all kinds of motherfuckers killed. Or strike one, Bruce Willis, you fucking piece of shit. And then strike two, you did the same thing. You played in a movie recently with Megan Fox. Yeah, she's fucking hot. Yeah, 2 thumbs up, Megan Fox. Not your fucking thumbs. She's fucking hot. But instead of you being the rogue cop, like you always are, you were the fucking suit and tie cop talking about you had to keep your marriage together and she was the fucking bad actress. Fuck, she's always a bad actress. She was the bad actress, fucking rogue, fucking undercover cop. That's strike 2, Bruce. I'm not gonna let you get a strike 3, motherfucker. This mission is how you, me, and everyone else in this entire sick game of real milsim that LARPs as a fucking Navy SEAL, you're gonna redeem yourself. Alright, boys, so this is how we're gonna fucking do it. Team building exercise first. We all start on our feet together. We all finish on our feet together. 2-mile ruck march. We ain't carrying no one. We ain't taking no breaks. I know you're a fucking veteran or civilian. Airsoft Alfonso, you better keep the fuck up. Once we hit the fucking swampland, we'll hunker down there. We'll take a water break right at the fucking beginning of the swampland. And then we'll hit the fucking wood line. We hit the wood line, we'll bypass around Taliban Camp. You see what I'm saying? We'll bypass around Taliban Camp. We'll come back out onto the fucking woods. We'll fucking see the fucking bridge. We'll decide how we're going to attack it. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Airsoft Alfonso, and yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy to be able to try out this this lane, MilSim Leadership Development. What? Say something. Hey brother, where are you going? What? You gonna come? Let me, Jamal. Let me fucking ask you something for a minute, Jamal. Can I ask you a question, Jamal? Is it okay if I speak freely, Jamal? The fuck do you work for? You work for me, motherfucker. I mean, no, I don't. No, I don't. You work for me, motherfucker. No, I don't. So is it okay with you if you don't fucking third degree me? The most peaceful man on motherfucking earth? The minister of war himself, Taliban Tim, praise be Josh motherfucking Allah, has given me the fucking authority? Now I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna fucking pray to Josh Allah. And you should sit over here and you should pray and ask for forgiveness too, motherfucker. And I pray 5 times a day because I'm a good motherfucking MilSim guy. But after I get done fucking praying, you hear the fucking roosters? I'm getting ready to pray before the fucking roosters crow. Before that rooster crows 4 times, you would deny motherfucking Josh's name. And you know you will, motherfucker. But I won't. So I'm going to go over here and pray. And I'm going to pray for you when I'm over here, motherfucker. And then when I'm done praying, I'm going to walk. I'm going for a walk. I'm going for a walk. Is that what you need to know? Yeah, I'm going for a fucking walk. I'm not going to whack off. I'm not going to take a shit. I'm not running away. I'm going to walk. Okay? Yeah. Josh Warren visited me in another dream, guys. He said, stay right here. Stay right here. Don't go to any more MilSim events. Don't go to any more Airsoft events. I was saying that he visited me the first time. He wanted me to go around whoop everyone's ass. He visited me again. And he said, stay right here in the woods. And they will come to me. And we already had that one mission. King Snake Operator guys came to me. And someone might come to me and train. So if you want to come and get some real MilSim West experience, you don't have to go to a MilSim West event. Come out here to the wilderness, to Chechnya, and run this one lane, this one fucking lane. 2-mile team walk, pass through the fucking indigenous civilians, and then take over a bridge by force. Is it okay with you if I go fucking walk now, motherfucker? You fucking piece of shit. I mean, I was gonna pray the same. I mean, we all pray. Okay. You got it? I'm not telling you, maybe I've been in this Taliban jihad fight just as long as you motherfucker talking about I never deployed. Fucking shit. Like, his job is to fucking do my job or do whatever I fucking tell you. You know that, Jamal. You fucking know that. So yeah, and cat's out of the bag. I shouldn't have fucking said that. You know what I'm saying? Fuck, hey Jamal, there's a fucking car right there. So, but yeah, I'm gonna walk up this fucking way over here now. Take care of that car, motherfucker. But cat's out of the bag. You know, I was visited by Josh Warren, praise be his name, Josh Allah. You know, in a dream. When I was at, you know, Third Coast, after I was tired as fuck from doing their tier 1. And Josh Allah was like, Timothy. He was calling me by my first name, Timothy. Timothy, why are you forsaking me? And, you know, I didn't argue with him. I didn't say, hey, no, I'm not forsaking you. Yeah, I was forsaking him. And he said, no, I am the one and only true Milsim. Have you ever had a dream of another Milsim person? I was like, no, I haven't. And he was like, do you lose sleep thinking about me? And I was like, yes, I do. And he's like, don't you want to be Milsim West? And I was like, yes, I do. And he was like, you are the only true prophet of true Milsim. And I am the one true Milsim guy. Let me go over here so no one hears me talk about this shit. Secret as fuck. And so anyways, so in the dream, and he was like, I want you after this event, do as good as you can in this event, be the best player in this event, which I was. And he was like, and after this event, go event by event by event by event to all these other Milsim, fucking false Milsim, false prophet events, and just kill people, fake guns. And that's what I was gonna do. And I was gonna come out here and train, and I had one team come out here and help me train. I whooped their ass. And then Josh Allah, praise be his name, visited me in a dream last night. And he said, Timothy, you are now Taliban Tim. And instead of you traveling to other places, they're gonna come to you. So now teams can come here and train. And it's the same lane. It starts as the same eval. You walk 2 miles as a whole team on flat land. It's not tactical. You're just walking, making sure your rough fits and shit. You know what I'm saying? As a whole team, if one guy starts to fall out, you got to pick him up or walk slower or take a couple more breaks. But then as soon as the road ends, it's all fucking swamplands and stuff with one dirt road. And you got to make it down this dirt road to a bridge and take that bridge by force. But there's 3 separate entities. There's one entity guarding the bridge. You know that for a fact. There's one entity led by me, civilian, indigenous, fucking cult guys that have one gunman. Jamal, you gonna take care of that car or what? You fucking... But then you have one entity that's kind of a roamer. You know what I'm saying? They could be at the bridge. They could be after the bridge. They could be before the bridge. They could be with us. You know what I'm saying? So you have 3 types of contact you're gonna make. You're gonna make one contact that you know you're gonna make at the bridge. You have one contact with me that could go soft, could go hard, you could bypass me. Then you have one contact that's looking for you. Alright, so we've made it through the fucking 2 miles and shit. So drink water. I don't got a good feeling about it. Just grab the shit out of the back of each other's bags. Let me look around real quick. Alright, so everything's tentative till you hit the ground. You can see why I don't think we can hit the wood line as soon as we come into the dirt road, because it's still like a little bit of someone's backyard. So we gotta walk a little bit deeper down, guys. Alright? Just don't like this. Just don't fucking like this. Right, look up on that high land right there. All right, black man, 2 eyes. You got 2 eyes up on the fucking highland, right? I got it up around. This lane, MilSim leadership development, and wait, I gotta go on the water side, okay, so. Airsoft Alfonse, 2 eyes, looking down on the fucking water. But I'm gonna go fucking take a break, man. I'm fucking fuck this shit. Oh, this Taliban Tim right there. Jamal. He took off. Oh, I was about to run after him. He's running us into a trap. What the fuck? The fuck was that? Shit, they're chasing fucking Taliban Tim down.
I run the streets all night and day, 'cause I still run the streets all night and day.
Trying to find me, I rep for my city, go hard for the hood, still posted on that block, what's good?
And I run the streets all night and day. I can't stay awake.
They don't make too many niggas like me, like bonafide hustler, certified G. Still got that work if you got the right feed. You thinking shit fake, but nigga come see. It's bigger than the jewels, it's bigger than the cars, it's bigger than the fact that we fucking rap stars. The street niggas know me, these boys got my contacts. Knowing any given minute I can come back. I put a bitch on not 10 and tell her run that. Give her 10 and tell her don't bring none back. I'm still in the hood, I can't leave the streets. It's in my blood, I'm a thug till I beat the
I
streets.
run the streets all night and day,
The hood love
'cause
thugs.
I still run the streets all night and day.
Trying to find me, I rep for my city, go hard for the hood, still posted on that block, what's good?
And I run the streets all night and day. I can't stay awake.
It's hot on my block, somebody turn a fan on. I've been paid, I'm just trying to turn my mans on and get my brand strong. Streets miss me when I'm gone. I put on for my city like Jeezy song. Please believe me, homes. Matter of fact, check my stats. Ain't dropping 3 years, but I'm back. Where the money at? That's the first question. You better pack a strap. That's the first lesson. Hard times got the whole United States stressing. I'm writing a book, how to survive in the recession. Mr. Obama, we so tired of selling crack. If you're looking for me, ask the streets where I'm at.
I run the streets all night and day,
The hood love
'cause
thugs.
I still run the streets all night and day.
Trying to find me, I rep for my city, go hard for the hood, still posted on that block, what's good?
And I run the streets all night and day. I can't stay awake.
Home sweet home where the D-boys roam. Moving stone for stone, or zone for zone.
I still run the streets all night and day.
Trying to find me. I rep for my city, go hard for the hood, still posted on that block, what's good?
And I run the streets all night and day. I can't stay awake.
Good job, man. Good job, man. I think if we were going to get ambushed, we would have got ambushed down there at the very beginning. Seems like Taliban Tim had something in store for us, but we passed it. Alfonso, come on, little guy. Get up here, little man. All right, so what's going on? So we bypassed it, so we did the whole bypass anyways. I don't know, sir. I don't know, sir, is what I mean. I don't know. I don't know something you don't know, do I? What the fuck did you just say to me, black man? So what the fuck is your problem? Bang, 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 bang! What the fuck is your problem? Okay, I'm just saying that it seems suspicious. Whoa, whoa. Bang, bang! Whoa. Bang, 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 bang! Got it, got it. Wow. Good job, black man. You're out Airsoft, Alfonso. But so was he. Move out. Yeah. No, no, no. I don't call my shots. I'm Airsoft Alfonso. I don't call my hits. Fine. Hit. Sir, you don't want to go up there and clear that area and see if Taliban Tim's up there or anything else? Might be something tricky up here. It's just a thought, because I don't know, sir. Now let's move the fuck out, black man. Do you have a better fucking idea than what I just said? It's over. Airsoft Alfonso's done. He's dead. Fuck you. Move the fuck out. The bridge is that way. Do whatever you guys want to do. Do whatever you guys want to do. You ain't gonna say bye to Alfonso? See you later, kid. Did good. Keep it up, boy. Hey guys, yeah, what's up? It's me, Taliban Tariq, motherfucker. I'm Taliban Tim's younger cousin, Tariq, and yeah, I got one of the hardest positions. I got to hold down a checkpoint. I'm like a buffer zone right before the bridge. The bridge is like the fucking main objective. Taliban Tim, the fucking main fucking clergyman boss, has already been fucking overran over there. I'm here, but look who I'm fucking with. This motherfucker. I don't, what do you mean look at, like, I'm just this fucking much of a man. I'm a midget. Okay, I'm the only midget. Josh, Allah, praise be his name, didn't bless me with a fucking big dick or a long leg. Okay, I'm not a little kid. I'm a midget, motherfucker. I'm a Milsim, I'm an angry midget, if you want to be serious. You know what I'm saying? The most controversial fucking agenda in fucking Milsim is what? Boy soldiers, and he got me over. Hey, little man, how old are you? Alright, I've downgraded a little bit. I can take this hot air out here in this swamp land. I had to take my top off. I see the second entity. They're right up there, huddled. Black man, get the fuck up here. I was getting hot, so I downgraded. Shut the fuck up, they're up there. I mean, I'm trying to have fun. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to have fun. One of the things I like about Airsoft and Milsim, just so you know, is it's like a reunion. I get together with some of my other homeboys, whether they be fucking fathers, just cool ass dudes, veterans, whatever, you know what I'm saying? And I smoke a little Delta 8 and I fucking shoot people up. But now I'm fucking, bro, how, you think I'm gonna share this shit with? Yo, man, I don't even share with dudes my own age. Brother, you're gonna make me mad for me. Brother, I got my own weed, brother. Stop. I'm gonna look up, brother. Give me the gun if you're gonna smoke up, brother. I want. All right. So we had Taliban Tim as a lookout at the very top of the street. And when he saw us, he ran back. Told the first set of guys, his entity, they hit us with an ambush. They killed that weak ass fuck Airsoft Alfonse. Second entity, they just set up like a fucking roadblock right in front of the bridge. And then on the bridge, we still have the fucking third entity. So we can't just go up there guns a-blazing. We're gonna walk into a fight after a fight. They already know we're here. They see me. Alright, black man, this is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna stay here. You're gonna hit this wood line behind me. You're gonna troop up there. You're gonna take them out sharpshooter style. Once everyone's on the ground, you hit the road and tell me they're all dead. I'll move up. Move out. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. They don't look like rednecks. They look like fucking Haitian kids. Innocent women and children. Really? Okay. That's the order. Innocent women, innocent Haitian women and children. This is bullshit. Bang, 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 bang. You're all fucking dead. Look, whoa, shit. What? Bang, 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 bang. You're all fucking dead. Oh, go ahead. You got us, motherfucker. You ain't have to overshoot, motherfucker. You overshot the little fucking boy, too, motherfucker. We ain't really Taliban. I'm a veteran. Just like you fucking bitch ass, man. Get the fuck out of here. Yo, little man, you okay? Good work. Good work, black man. Alright. Looks like everyone's dead up there in front of the bridge. Time for me to move up, connect with black man, figure out how we're gonna take the bridge now. Alright, so we got a lot of, hey, black man, got a lot of the cars and stuff in massing of those guys, so we could use the cars for cover, and I don't want to get blown up. Alright. Roger that, sir. Yeah, I didn't want to use the cars for cover either. Alright, so we're gonna, let's creep up past the cars one at a time. And then when we get past the cars, let's rally back together. I mean, you're the boss. You're the boss. I'm just a veteran Navy SEAL in real life. But if what you're thinking is the same thing I'm thinking, I say I should creep up past the cars first. Just wait. Then you creep up past the cars, and then we rally back together, and then whatever you want to do, we'll do from there. There we are. Here we are. We're right at the bridge. You know, and we can say, hey, let's just, the two of us, let's storm the bridge. Let's take it by force. But he's got a fucking machine gun up there. This is the final level of level 1. This is the final stage of level 1. It's the big boss at level 1. But you got to think like that. This is just level 1. You know, did I come all the way here to the MilSim leadership course just to spend all day in the first eval? No. I got to take that bridge, and me and you got to be alive. Because maybe the second eval might be holding the bridge down. Maybe, I don't know. But we got to take this bridge smartly. And he's already set up. He said it doesn't matter if we engage with Taliban Tim and his guy or not. If we engage with the fucking guys at the fucking, you know, the buffer guys right there that we did and killed or not. Because it didn't change the fact that he's sitting on a fucking machine gun. He wants to shoot at us, and he wants to make us scare us away. And then shoot us and scare us away. And then eventually kill us. So here's what we're going to do, black man. We're going to move. I'm on one side of the road. You're on the other side of the road. We're going to move up to the bridge. And we're going to connect. When he starts shooting at us because we're connected, I'm going to move back to my side of the road. You're going to move back to your side of the road. Then I'm going to move back. Then you're going to move back. And once he decides, he only has one machine gun. So he has to shoot on one side of the road or the other. And once he decides what side of the road he's going to engage on, the other guy has to fucking hamburger hill him. We have to. You want to hit this? Hey. All right, black man. Let's go. Nice and slow, without moving tactically, because we want him to see us. But then when he starts to engage, we're going to separate. That's actually that's a really good idea. I understand. That's a fucking really good idea. Right. Yep, nice and easy. Doc Holliday and fucking Tombstone jump. Okay. Nice and slow. Be ready to roll. So, you know, you talk about superior firepower with three to 1 odds. You know, that's a very easy mathematic. You know, small man kill teams running around. Every time we see a 2-man team, hopefully we have 6 men, 3 to 1. If we see a 3-man team and it's 3 of us, we're fucked. We're matched. You know what I'm saying? And you gotta think like that. Okay, it's me and this fucking black man now, because Airsoft Alfonse fucking fell out. But it's me and black man, and that's 2 to 1. The odds seem good still, don't they? But he has a machine gun. So now you gotta give him 2 to 2. But even though he's 2 to 2, he can't move like we can. So we can still fucking take advantage of that. You know, firepower, he's 2. Because he has a machine gun, and we're only 1. But he can move and I can move. So when he starts to engage with us, we're gonna split. And whichever one he chooses to shoot back at, the other one's gonna hamburger kill his ass. Coming up on him now. We're doing this. We're doing this for Alan Akbar, person who died in his first Milsim attempt to ever try out for Milsim West. Praise be Josh Allah's name. Alright, so now we can see the bridge. Ah! Hit. I'm hit. Go, motherfucker. Go. Go, take him. One. Fuck. Alright. I gotta move up towards the fucking. Alright, keep my head. Alright, fuck. Fucking see. Can I see him anywhere? Fuck no. Alright, let me get behind these fucking trees. Alright, I see him. I see that motherfucker. Alright, let's get ready. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Fuck. Alright, let me hit this fucking. With my radio. Fuck. It's a fucking bastard. Gotcha. Fucking dead. Take the walk of shame, you fucking bitch. I got that motherfucker right through these trees where he couldn't see me. And the reason he couldn't see me is because, look, that's his fucking vantage point. He was sitting at that fucking bridge right there, and anything that crosses through. That's why he hit what's his name right there. But as soon as I took that vantage point away from him and gave it to myself, yeah, I might have had to go boom, 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 and to get a couple through, you know, but I could hit him right there. And this is just one eval. This is just a morning mission of a fucking 3-day, 2-night mission. You know what I'm saying? But if you're not taking it if you're not thinking about it this serious, like people think I'm joking around. When I say, oh, I've never been hit in a Milsim event. I haven't. I get hit when I'm joking around and shit. But when I actually get serious, like on one day, I don't get hit that whole day. And I accomplish shit. And if you come here, you too will accomplish shit.
Shot it, barely seen the double C's, I bought it. Got a bitch that looking like a she a model. I got the pink slip off my whip, lift. Compton, I'm about to get the key to the city. Patty, light up the city. We're getting out the coupe at the lot. Told her fuck 12, fuck SWAT. Busting out the